Very good morning, viewers. This is just to inform you. He's Mr. Neeraj Gulati. He's my dentist also from the school time in itself. So when you have the believer like him in your services, back to back, he's purchasing. This is the last purchase which I'm showing today. एंड इसके बाद मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ इन्होंने आज फिर से रात को बैठ के अब 1 बजे बैठ के सो इंटेलिजेंटली ही पिक द फ्यू आइटम्स फ्रॉम माई शॉप एंड नाउ लेट्स लुक एट फॉर हिज 3-year-old baby. So when you wake up in the morning and you see all these items have been bought by my doctor itself, from actually very old doctor of mine. It's nearly 20 more than 20 years actually. So all these items are definitely picked up by him, and they were only few exclusive items I kept at my KTDshop.in. And you can see these books and few of the items I have to out of stock just because they are gone now. I will get them as soon as possible. So see, this is kind of the magic which goes around me every time. Whenever I seek for a customer, some or the other will join my party. Some of my friends, my relatives, my doctors, and lot many of you, my well-wishers, and few new customers. So if you are all enough for me, actually, for me to move ahead, I don't want to say that buy this now, because it has been going good. This is quite a good journey for me yet. So I'm just giving you my thought, like where I'm going through right now, what I'm going through, what I'm doing. So thanks all, whosoever is my well-wisher, my friend, my relative, my doctors, everybody. I want to say thanks for moving along in my journey, helping a lot in my KTDshop.in, because now I know some crux actually why Amazon is saying you get it delivered for free. What they do is, they would hide the delivery charges from you. They would say get this product for 1300 and free delivery, but actually it doesn't happen. The thing which happens mostly is, they will cover their delivery cost in that itself. I'm talking in English because I very just few days back I have got many customers from out of state who doesn't speak Hindi. So this audio is basically for them too, and most of my customers understand English already, so there would not be any harm for if I speak English. So that is the reason I'm talking much in English these days. So once you see all these orders coming up from your doctor itself, it's glad. This is the information that I'm doing pretty good. I do not need much much dependence on only on few people. It's the big journey which I'm traveling through. It's not easy for me to handle this KTDshop.in with so much of endless variety I'm trying to include on a daily basis. So thanks all for being with me till now, and I'm really glad you all are here. Even if you give me chance, even if you just check my status, that's all enough for me. Thank you.